Hello students, today we are going to start solution of question number 10 exercise 1.1. Okay. In this question, a water tank has step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. Monkey is sitting here at first step and water level is at ninth step. Okay. And first part of this question is he jumps 3 steps down and then jump back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So in this question, monkey take one jump and goes 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3, and these to step number 4, and go back 2 steps, 1, 2, and reach at step number 2. Now we have to tell in how many jump he goes to at 9th step, and there is water level at 9th step. Okay, so we do this question. In first jump he take 3 steps. So first jump is 1, 2, 3, and he reached at step number 4. So it is jump number first. Okay. Now again he take 2 steps back. So we take 2 steps back, 1, 2. So after second jump he reach at second step. Similarly again he take 3 steps for third jump, 1, 2, and 3. He reach at 5th step. Okay, so it is jump number 3rd. Again he take 2 steps back, 1, 2, and reach at step number 3, and it is jump number 4. Okay, first step, one jump he take 3 steps. In second jump he take 2 steps back. In third jump he take 3 steps forward, and in fourth jump he take 2 steps back. Now after fourth jump he is at third step. Again he take fifth jump, 1, 2, 3, and he reached at 6th step. Okay, and it is jump number 5. Similarly he takes jumps 1, 2 step back. He reached at step number 4 in jump number 6. Again he take 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. It is jump number 7. Okay, and he reached at step number 7. Okay, when he move forward he take 3 jumps, and when he come back he takes 2 jumps. Okay, now again he take 2 steps back, 1, 2, and it is jump number 8, and he reached at step number 5. Again he take 1, 2, 3, 9th number step, and he reached at step number 8. Now again he take 2 steps back and reached at step number 6 and it is jump number 10 and step number 6. Now he take again forward jump 1 2 3 steps and reach the water level and it is jump number 11. So after 11 jump he reached the water level. So it is first part of this question. So monkey takes 11 jumps to reach the water level. Okay. Now in second part, after drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jump back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Okay, now he start coming back and he take 4 steps up, 1 2 3 4 and 2 steps down, 1 2 like this. Okay, and we have to tell in how many jump he will reach the top step here. So we start 4 steps down, 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So 4 steps up, 1 2 3 4. After 4 steps up he reached at step number 5. So it is first jump. Again he take 2 steps down. So 1 2 he reached here at 7 step. It is jump number second. Again he take 4 steps, 1 2 3 4 reach at third step and it is jump number third. Again he take 2 step back, 1 2 and reach at step number 5 and jump number 4. Again he take 4 steps from step number 5, 1 2 3 4 and he reach at the top step and it is jump number 5. So he used 5 jumps to reach the top step. So in 5 jumps monkey reached the top steps. Okay, so it is second part. Now third part. In third part, if the number of steps moved down is represented by the negative integer and the number of steps moved up by the positive integer, represent his moves in part first and second by completing the following A and B parts. In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represented? So first of all we solve these steps. These are the fill-ups. In first part he take 11 jump, so we complete it, and in second part he take 5 jumps, so we complete this in integer form. He take minus 3 step in first jump, so minus 3 downward. Okay, minus 3 and upside plus 2. So minus 3 first jump, plus 2 second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times minus 3 means 18, and 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 plus 10. and when we solve it we get -8, and -8 represent the going down. Now you have to tell some +8 in B part represent which condition. So in second part he takes 4 step upside and 2 step backside. So 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 plus first jump and -2 second jump. It is third jump. It is fourth jump -2. It is fifth jump. Now we add these 4 4 8 and 4 12, and 2 -2 and -2 -4, and when we solve it it is 8. So hence in B part it is first part, it is second part. So +8 represent the going up 8 steps. It is your answer. It is -8 means going downside and +8 means going upside. So in first case he goes down touch side, and in second part he goes upside. So it is -8 and it is +8 +8. So it is question number 10, part first, second and third. I hope you understand this question. Okay.